an Aspire welding helmet. I'll take this out of the box and see what we've got in there. Just turn the box around that way. You can that is pretty self-explanatory, and you've got different settings within the helmet to please read the instructions, and that is really just what's on the other side. Let's see what we've got in the box. So obviously one head thing. That is the helmet itself, with some pretty cool graphics on it. Remove that prior to use. It's looking quite good inside. What we got inside? We've got something inside. Let's turn that round to the light. See, that's obviously the settings in there for the various uses of grinding and welding. And notice also in here there is a top part just there is a solar panel for charging the battery up inside that runs all of that lot. And I'm assuming that there's some instructions somewhere, which I usually don't bother reading, but as eye protection on welding is extremely important, those of you that don't know, arc welding is, or arc eye is one of the most painful things you can get. Not that I've ever had it, and not that I want it, which is why I've got this. I've got the instructions out. Not sure if you can read them. If you want to read them off there, or if you can possibly read them off there, you can pause the video and get the information that you want. I'm guessing that those with more professional knowledge than me will mean something to you right there. And we got that. Another shade selection chart, and then we've got the bits and pieces there. Meets 5 different classes of safety, or whatever they are. And in the bottom of the box we also got 2 pieces of replacement. Oh, the sun's just come out as well, that was helpful. It's 2 pieces of replacement glass. One is bigger than the other. I'm not sure why that would be. Oh, I see. I've got an inside glass and the outside glass is bigger. Yeah, okay. Right, put this together and see what it looks like. There's the helmet, finally got it put together. It's not the easiest thing. That there is, as you can probably see, it's wobbling, and I've got a feeling there's a piece missing, which was probably part of my confusion. There's a square slot inside there, and there isn't a square piece of plastic to fit in that hole, so I'm guessing that there is something missing. This little catch here moves backwards and forwards, and I think it's supposed to do some sort of adjustment, but it's so fine and minute I can't even see that the adjustment is actually happening. So there we are. I've took the plastic off the front, and I've took the plastic protection off this one inside as well. Wasn't the easiest of things to get back in. It's a very tight fit, and you have to bend it up to flex it to get it out, and then you've got to bend it to get it back in. It's a fairly fine fit. There's not a lot of play in there at all. So there we are. There is the Aspire helmet. The actual fit is quite comfortable, and I'm just going to wait to let the sun charge that battery up, and then I'll start using it. So all in all, the Aspire welding helmet, it looks quite cool, and it's not too heavy on the head. I was quite surprised. It's fairly light, so that's always good when you're wearing it for a while. And the adjustment for head size there and there is quite easy to use, and that is really comfortable around there. That's really good. So there we have it, the Aspire helmet, and the little catch on the side which I thought was missing wasn't missing. It was the way I put it together. I had another look and it seems fine now. So there we have it, one Aspire helmet. Looks cool. Hopefully keep your eyes protected, and that's it. Nice and comfortable. I might even, no I won't, I'm not even going to say it. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do, and may the force go with you.